Hi traders, we continue again today. It's 27 of August 2019. We are on live trading crude oil market. Day trading for US session. This is a signal received from London session. We are expecting to short sell at 54.14 and expected to exit the market at 53.85. So this is the London session signal, so the TP is quite high, and it's quite important for us to differentiate when it's the London session and when it's the US session. At this moment, we are now waiting for the market to fill in our order. By the way, I also providing live broadcast signal, so the same. This is the entry I given about 50 minutes ago. There's a short sell position at 54.14. This okay, so this is what happen every day. I'm using this Telegram channel as my live broadcast, so you can join and click. There's a free trial for the few days, limited time offer only, and you can find it in the description below. Just click the link and you can contact me anything. Like and share also this channel and this video. Okay, we're still waiting for the market to react on our position, so let's take a look on the volume. So in this video I will show you how I do my trade for London session. Mostly I don't record it for London session because the time required to record it is much more longer compared to US session, which is our trade normally below 10 minutes or few minutes, 1 minute, 3 minutes or 4 minutes for a good profit. So we are entering US session as well, so I combine the signal in one, so no need to trade for both because the late signal from London session might be triggered any moment soon at 54.14. So let's take a look on the volume. This quite interesting at 54.00. This is quite a common price level which is not interested us to take a look. Okay, at this moment there's only one at 54.00. On the upper side, 54.30 is also quite high, and 54.40, 54.44. And then is 54.56, 54.50. This is quite interesting because my signal at this moment is a short sell, and on the higher side there's high volume waiting for a couple of price level, and we have to wait maybe another 10 minutes to see whether we got feel for this position or not. So by the way, please subscribe this channel, like, share, comment anything you like, or you have question about how my setup is. It is based on the hidden volume. I create it myself. You can go to playlist. There's a lot of my day trade video as my journal. Just feel free to click on it, and maybe you can learn something from my trading style or trading strategy. Okay, we're still waiting. It's quite interesting. At the beginning of US session, you can see that the market spike up and then reverse back to the down, but still our stop limit order, which is at 54.14, will be could be a good one, and I'm expecting when the price make a full reversal, this might give opportunity for us to have a good quick profit perhaps. So let's see. So we are now in US session with the London session signal, so you can check in my Telegram channel, my private group. So this is the signal I provide just now about 1 hour ago. Complete together with stop loss and also take profit. So let's go back to the chart, take a look. Okay, we almost go into the market. Still no indication of a special volume appeared or hidden volume. This entry is based on hidden volume, but we are expecting to see a special, something special, maybe down there. Okay, this is where I will exit my position at 53.85. This is the entry level. You almost hit. Once hit, it will go much more faster. Okay, let's wait. Okay, we in the market. We in the market. So okay, looks good. There's a spike to the downwards, and this candle is quite big, and this is a 15-minute candle. I will set my stop loss somewhere here at 54.46. This is stop loss, and this is our entry. So let's have some patience. This might take some time. Hopefully the market will not go sideways or another reversal, but it depends. It depends. At this moment looks more bearish compared to the bullish, because we receive a full reversal signal at the mid London session. So now price reverse back. Have to be more careful. Okay, traders, we still on the negative territory, still red, and we are also might receive for US session signal a short sell position maybe at 54.11, which is somewhere here, slightly lower, and the same TP area, which is at this area. So I might enter another position maybe, or just wait. So I will try to enter one more position for the US session. And also I already prepared to send out this signal just right in time in a few seconds, maybe in 30 seconds from now. So this might be a good 54.11. This is what I'm expecting, either 54.11 or 54.12. So we will see in the next few seconds for confirmations. TP is the same, SL around 25 or 23 ticks. Okay, I will put in another position at 54.11. Be only one lot size for US session scalping. This will be a quick one. Okay, let's wait. Hopefully the price will trigger for the second entry point, which is at 54.11, and then we'll go for the faster rate. Let's wait. We must have some patience. So let's take a look on the volume. It is typical high volume at 54.00, and not much 53.96. Maybe further down there's more large volume is waiting. This is what I'm expecting, because the first signal during London session is the full reversal signal. Have to be cautious, because we are now in a US session. It's quite volatile. We're still waiting and waiting. It's quite typical, but we'll not wait long, because this is a US session. There's more volume to kick the market towards our direction. Perhaps normally during US session the risk is much more higher, and the speed is much more. It's good for me, because my setup sometimes for US session we are targeting to be in the market for a couple of minutes, sometimes also extend to 30 minutes. Okay, the US session signal also already triggered, so we are now in a good position for a good profit. So 120, 160, 210 US dollar looks good. This kind of candle is looks good. We won't hold long. So let's hope this candle also a big one, and there's no reversal. So the target is still 53.85. Maybe you can partially close somewhere in the middle just to put to get some profit. So at this moment the profit is around 210. Market move quite fast at this moment. Let's take a look on the bottom of the price. It is a spot high volume waiting at 53.84. I will have around 85 or 80. Okay, this moment the profit is around 330. Let's watch a PNL. Okay, looks good. Maybe I can close one position first. Oh, no good. Now price reverse back. Okay, we are about 270, 300 profit. So I will buy market 1. Okay, looks good. Buy market. So I will try buy one more. Okay, let's one position remain at 53.85. So the profit target still remain the same. Sorry. We have close to position. Total now is around realized 320 US dollar. So there's still high volume waiting at 53.80. It's quite interesting. One more position we close at 53.85. So let's let's let it go for a while, let it fly, because we're in the good direction. Looks good. During US session we can go hit the target pretty fast, and also hit the stop loss very fast as well. So have to be more careful and have to do a good setup. So from my setup, based on the hidden volume, it will appear every day, mostly every day, for London session and also for US session. So you can join my live broadcast channel here for this signal. So this is the same signal I given for US session. This is a signal change order from London session. All live. I tried my best to provide the time without any delay for the signal. This can be used worldwide. We just focus on the local market of London session and also local market, local time for New York session. Okay, just looks good. We hope this candle is a big one. Might need some patience, so let's wait. Looks good. And this is our last short sell position. We have closed at 300, so another 100 plus. I'm still waiting for the price market to reach. I'm still waiting for the market to reach 53.85, which is the level is somewhere here. As I mentioned, this is a good candle. So we are moving towards it. Hope a perfect one. Hope can record it live. Much more satisfaction if you record it live whenever you do trading and other people can see it. This might take some time. Okay, we're entering a new candle. Let's hope this one is a strong red candle, so we can exit the market and close the chart. That's the most important thing in trading. You open the chart, find a signal, go into the market, and then close it as soon as possible. That's much more better, because we have to trade every day. As for me, I'm trading every day. I'm a day trading for crude oil market, so have to keep momentum for endurance for long term uh, trading time. So I'm not a sprint, so we don't take a profit, a big one, huge one in one night or in a few days, and then don't trade. But for me, I'm trading every day. I'm taking a small amount of money as a day salary and during my day trade the market. Sorry guys, I was away just now, and the price did go to the level of 54.85, which is at this area. There's a small triangle here, you can see, and this is the price move during US session with the hectic opening and strong reversal, and then another. For the whole, we expect for the market to turn a bearish movement during first 2 hour of US session is correct, and managed to take profit somewhere here and then another one here, but still. Okay, I think that's all for today. I didn't manage to record it live at these stages because I'm away to somewhere, and we'll continue again tomorrow. See you guys. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel, like, share, or comment, or you can ask anything, and also join the live broadcast signal. There's a free trial, limited time offer only, and just join in. If you got any problem in subscribing the live broadcast, uh, contact me. There's a link also during the registration. Okay guys, then that's all. Thank you. Bye bye.